Today I am going to show you how to cut cabbage for chopsuey. This is a fresh cabbage I bought. I washed it and kept it ready. Now let us begin. This is the full cabbage. Now I am going to make one cut in the center. Now we have two semicircular halves. Now I am keeping one aside. Now this is the part which I am going to take. Now each semicircle I am going to place it like this. I am going to give a second cut in the center like this. Now remove the pith portion of the cabbage, which is the center region. You can just chop it off. Hold the cabbage in this fashion. Now start cutting in an angle wise. Now let us start collecting the cabbage.